Hi there, my name's 𝐔𝐩𝐬ℎ. I'm with the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group. And today I want to introduce you to 685 Salina Road. This is approximately 10,000 square foot of space that is going to be available to lease and build to suit. It's located in the Advanced Subacute Rehabilitation Center, which is a short and long-term rehab facility. It's located very close to all the major highways. We have a large traffic count and we have a large blue-collar population in the area. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the property and so we can show you all the features. We think that it's probably going to appeal to something in the medical industry, maybe an adult daycare, maybe an urgent care, a dialysis center, but it's really customizable to anybody that needs 10,000 square feet of space. It has its own dedicated entrance, and let me show you around. So here I am at the main entrance to the actual space. It's right off of the entrance to the building. Here's where you'll find that you have two doors behind me that can be customized to be only used with a key fob or a passcode so that you can control the access both in and out of the facility. To my right and to my left are two smaller rooms, still of decent size, that you can use as more offices, bathrooms, storage, whatever it is that works best for your business. So you can see that this space has a wide range of flexibility to make it optimum for anybody that would like to put their business here. So here we are in the main room of the space that's available. As you can see, there's a lot of natural light, a lot of windows. It's wide open. It's customizable for whatever your needs may be. There are two smaller rooms off this main space that would be perfect for offices, storage, computers, whatever it is that you might need to have off this main space. Thanks for watching the video. Again, my name is 𝐔𝐩𝐬ℎ with the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group. My phone number is 856-651-6649. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or if you would like to schedule a private showing for you and your clients.